Hi, this is Kevin Marin, um, and this is Chapter 4, Homework Question 5. And on the left, I have pulled up the question itself as a reference so that while I work and explain the code, it can be easily relatable to what I'm trying to do here. Okay, here we go. So first off, I imported Turtle so we can actually draw stuff in Python. I set wn equals turtle.screen, set up the whole screen, and I assigned the background color to light green because it matches with the question. And I set up tests, and I set the pen color to blue, and I also set the pen size to 2 because that's what I thought the length of the thickness of the pen was. And now, I first did was I defined this function half underscore square n, and then I did a loop statement for I in range 1 comma n, and that for every n there are that many little individual half squares. So I just put in 100 to as an estimate of how many squares there are. I just put a lot of them, and I did test.right 90 degrees because it goes right 90 degrees, very very sharp corners. And then I made tests go forward about 3 for I in range. It would go 1 times 3 forward by 3, and then it'd go by 2. 2 times 3 it'd go forward 6. 3 times 3 would go forward 9, etc. And the square would slowly increase, creating the spiral that we see here on the left. And here it is being drawn out. Control S, F5. If we run the code, we can see that it runs perfectly fine, drawing out what we have on the left here. Perfect. It's awesome. Computer science at its finest. Alright, it's pretty slow, but as you can see, it's getting there, closer and closer to the answer. There we go. And there it is. Now, to create this one, this spiral, this complicated looking spiral, actually not that complicated at all. All we have to do is just change the angle to 89 degrees. And if we do that, Control S for saving it, and we press F5 to run it, it will do exactly what I told it to, and follow and try to draw this picture right here. And it works. It just works. Look at that. Computer science, making patterns, is beautiful. So mesmerizing. Yep, and that is the homework. Chapter 4, homework 5, example number 5. And this is Kevin Marin. Check it out. Thank you very much. See you in class on Monday.